Howdy. It's a 2012 F150 3.5 Eco Boost. We're putting an oil catch can on it. This is what we did, and you don't even have to cut the cover that goes over it. We've got a hose here, comes directly off for your vacuum. Just comes down here below the turbo tube and up. And the other one, we cut the original PCV hose right here and took that fitting off, and the hose goes right in there. Clamp it and then just bring it up and it goes right in. No kinks, no nothing. It even looks sturdy if you ask me. 2012 F150 Eco Boost 3.5 catch can. Of course, a catch can is good for turbos because of the blow-by. Then your valves and stuff don't get caked up with gunk from the excess oil. Google it. Happy trails. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate it. See ya.